History and travel buffs, does this look familiar? It's a slab of the Berlin Wall. It sure seemed familiar to me when I stumbled upon it, as I had just seen it a few years ago in the pre-pandemic world. And yes, this is the same wall that divided Berlin for 20 plus years, and you can find it here in Dallas, Texas, of all places, at the Hilton Anatole. Let's go explore this expansive urban resort. In this episode, I'm going to show you around this massive hotel, which includes the stunning hotel grounds and the Nebula, which is a famous floating structure in the lobby area made up of crystals, cables, and pulleys. You'll get a room tour so you can get a gist of this place if you do stay here. I mean, the room is kind of important. A water park located on the property. We're going to cover dining options. We're going to walk past a few historical and surprising art pieces, like the slab of the Berlin Wall. And lastly, my honest and final thoughts on this place. Let's go! But first, how did we end up here? Simple. Mama and Papa were tired from a long work week and needed an escape away from home badly. We didn't feel like sitting on an airplane, nor enduring a long car ride, because that's just way more work with a 2.5-year-old, you know. So Mama and Papa and baby decided to drive about 30 minutes from our town of Frisco to Dallas to check in at this resort. We also avoided doing the dishes and vacuuming the house this fine weekend. Tasks that patiently waited for us for when we got back home. Okay, you cannot beat the location of this hotel. I mean, it is as central as anything could be. Conveniently located to Dallas Love Field Airport. American Airlines Center is, I think, within 10 to 15 minutes from here. Downtown Dallas is very, very close. So if you are in the area, this is probably not a bad place to stay. I mean, it's close to everything. Yeah, you can't beat the location. The massive sprawling lobby is Asian-inspired with large reflecting pools surrounded by cushioned furniture and a wood-framed veranda. The shops add life, plants and potted trees add color, while the sunshine entering from the glass ceiling up above adds warmth to the stunning lobby. Around the central area are wings with more places to sit and an impressive collection of art, much of it from Asia. My favorite part about the resort. That is called the Nebula. It's a structure made up of 10 miles of aircraft cables, 1,780 pulleys, and over 4,500 amber crystals that floats above the redesigned lobby space in a wave-like dance, almost like a choreography. Nebula is a dramatic, slowly moving kinetic structure, organized in a multi-tiered geometric pattern that fans out almost 100 feet long and 50 feet wide. And then this gorgeous piece hovering over this little fountain that I'm amazed has zero ripples. It's like still, but not really, because you can hear the flow of water just coming down and dripping down right over here. I mean, they have paid a lot of attention to details at this resort. The hotel consists of two towers. There's the atrium side and there's the tower side. And we stayed in the tower side. The tower side is the newer side. So try getting a room on that side if possible, because the new stuff is just better, with the exception of music, of course. The tower is also way closer to the hotel grounds and the water park. Our room in the tower side was spacious with a pleasant feel of Asian-inspired decor and a decent view of Dallas downtown. Well, no resort tour is complete without a tour of the room. Regardless of what the room is like, well, 2 faucets, decent stuff here, the necessary business, and a shower. This is nice. Okay. We get a safe, a couple of drawers, an iron, normal stuff. King bed, a couch, and my kid dropping M&Ms. I'll take a larger room and I will sacrifice a view. No big deal. But this is actually not so bad. Now let's talk about food. There are a few dining choices in the hotel that I saw. One is a high-end steakhouse called Ser, S-E-R. I don't know if I pronounced it right. It's on the top floor of the tower, said to have incredible views of Dallas. It was closed when we were there, but it is their flagship restaurant. Counter Offer Gourmet Market is also located in the lobby, steps away from the Media Bar and Grill. They serve Starbucks. It's a grab-and-go concept. And they also serve sandwiches, pizzas, soups, salads, and desserts, and all sorts of beverages. Overall, good spot. Media Bar and Grill is also located in the lobby, which can't be missed. It's like a casual sports bar that serves contemporary American cuisine. Hot Americano and a gorgeous lobby. This hotel has about 1,600 rooms, and it's considered one of the largest hotels/resorts in the South. Hilton Anatole is synonymous with hosting galas and work conferences. I believe I may have attended a couple myself, but yeah, I mean, it's gorgeous. There's also the Terrace, their daily breakfast spot for a la carte menu service, or your choice of continental or buffet fares. The hotel does run free buffets with your nightly rate from time to time, so it's worth a check. And lastly, there's JadeWaters Grill and Bar, paired with the Leisure Cove Bar, a swim-up bar, both located inside the water park, which in poetic fashion takes us to our next section that you all were waiting for, JadeWaters Resort Pool Complex, the water park. JadeWaters entry is actually included in your nightly rate, and the water park spans about 3 acres. It features a family and children's area with a 7,000 square foot beach entry pool, an activity pool with play areas, 2 water slides, and a 360-foot lazy river. There's also a Leisure Cove pool in the water park, which is a separate 4,000 square foot leisure pool with a hot tub, and a swim-up bar that we just talked about that has in-pool seating. Well, here are some of my tips. Scope out the area upon entry. There are kids sections and adult sections, sunny sections and shaded sections, which does change throughout the day because, you know, solar system and stuff. And there are some quiet areas hidden alongside the lazy river for a little bit of zen. Bring an empty water bottle to refill your waters from the free stations around the pool area. They're pretty strict about outside beverages and may just sniff your bottles. Just trust me on this one. I easily crossed 10,000 steps in one day, walking back and forth between their lobby and stunning hotel grounds. That spans over 7 acres, I tell you. Their landscaping and choice in flowers, plants, and trees is impeccable. I especially enjoyed the random sculptures that are sprinkled all around the resort grounds. Entry into the Verandah spa is also included in your nightly rate. There are 2 gyms to choose from, an arcade, a full basketball court, and much more. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I was going to step onto a hotel facility that has a almost full-sized basketball court. Look at that. It's got a 3-point line and everything. Damn. Some services do cost extra, so inquire with the front desk or spa desk for more information. Adjacent to the sculpture park is a corridor filled with treasures. Let's go check that out. I'm learning that the hotel is home to over 1,000 unusual and rare pieces, such as paintings and statues and other artifacts. Many of these are from Japan, China, India, other parts of South Asia, and they date back to about 5th century BC. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. Okay, this one caught me by surprise. It might catch you by surprise too, hang on. What do you think that is? Those are 2 slabs of the Berlin Wall. Insane. For those of you that may not know, the Berlin Wall was built in 1961, height of the Cold War, and it stood for nearly 30 years as a very, very hated symbol of repression and fear, blocking East and West Berlin. 1991, after reunification, the wall was practically vanished and a few larger segments were sold or donated. This was bought by the Crow Collection, and I believe the Crow Collection have many other pieces here at the hotel. My honest and final thoughts. This resort definitely checks many of the boxes for all types of guests that it holds. Whether you're here for work or with family, lounging solo or with a +1, you're a local or a tourist, I'm pretty certain there's something here for you. Now, it's no Ritz-Carlton or Four Seasons, so don't visit with those skyscraper expectations. The list of amenities, the rare collection of artwork, and Waterpark puts Hilton Anatole in a separate column of its own, and it is without a doubt a Dallas gem.